So in this section, we will see quotation to cash configuration. So sales order we have already configured in the previous section. So let's try to go to the SPRO reference IMG. Now go to again sales and distribution module. So basically go to the sales documents, sales document header. So let's try to check the quotation. QT is the document. It was there in ECC also. How you are going to differentiate between your sales order and quotation? Sales order will be C document category and quotation will be B. Okay. This is how you can able to do it. So you cannot able to do the delivery with inquiry and quotation. Why? Because your document category won't allow you to do such kind of things. C definitely it will allow you since it is an order. Order will be converted into delivery. This is one of the interview question. That's okay as part of your basics. Quotation I'm just copying. Let me put it GQT if it is available. So let's put the copy controls. That's okay, fine. I'm saved this one. So I'll just press enter. Now let's go back and try to check the item category difference between your TAN and quotation. Where is this? Sales document item, you go define item category. Now go to ASEAN. If you see here, so the completion rule B will be there. From quotation directly you cannot do the billing. That's why you don't have billing relevance. Again, your quotation is relevant for pricing. Customer should know when you are giving quotation on what price you are giving. So credit is not active because it's not an order to control credit management, and it won't relevant for returns like that. Some controls will be there. So I'm just not copying ASEAN. I'm just using as ASEAN as ASEAN. So what is a key important thing is that this completion rule, like B means item is completed after full quantity reference, like that. The same quotation you can able to use it. Okay, so this is the basic advantage. Now let's go to the our sales order. So GG1. So if you click on this, see, if you wanted to make it a reference, you can able to choose this. It's up to you. It's upon your customer requirement. Okay, or else you can manually take the create reference and then you can copy it. Let me go to the, so this is all about your quotation. Okay, so let me try to make it as reference mandatory for testing. Okay, so that without quotation you cannot able to move further. This is all about your quotation to cash. So in next video we will see the transaction level of your quotation to cash. Thanks for joining the session.